What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality. Today I got some VR accessory and this is called Beat Saber handles for Quest and Rift S. This is how the package looks and this is how when it's finished. So we have the left controller, the red one, and the blue controller for Beat Saber. So that feels really good. It's good material, but is it worth it? How does it how is it attached? I will explain that in this video. So my name is Voodoo. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel. Thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Open Events, Cyronics, AMVR VR Ambassador and Alpha Blend Interactive. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, so here we have already the left controller, the red one. I already attached that. But I will show you how that works with the right controller. So let's put it away for now. Then here we have our touch controller for the Rift S or the Quest. Then remove the battery cover. Then remove the hand strap. Just pull it out. And then we have this one. So push this thing here inside. And then we have this little gold. It looks like a small wheel. Take it and then attach it there where your controller hand strap was. Whoa! It's a little bit tricky. Perhaps you can move it a little bit more outside by turning the wheel. But normally you can attach it here. Yeah, should fit. Here we go. Here we go. And then it's hanging here. But we are not finished. So close the battery cover again, then here, and then turn the grip like this, that the R or L letter is facing you. So like this. Then push it inside very heavy and then turn the wheel. Hold that and then turn it. A lot of times. Turn. But not too heavy, but let me show you when it's tight. So, yeah, not too tight. So just check if this is really tightened and then do not tighten it too fast until the rope is broken. So, yeah, for now, then we can have our two hand straps here. And now we have the left controller and the right controller, blue and red, like the Beat Saber. This is really cool. And you can smash it around. It's really attached to these controllers. It totally works. So, and you can also let it go because we have the hand straps here. That's really good because sometimes people smash the controller into the TV or something. So, that's it. It's really easy. It's a good idea, but how does it work in the game? Is it cool or is it fun? So let's try it out. Okay guys, that was pretty interesting, I must say. That feels really like these little things here. It feels actually like I have these sticks in my hand and not a virtual reality controller. That's cool. The only thing that's a little bit strange is because the tracking controller is here in this height, it feels like this virtual stick must be a little bit more down, like from here to here, you know. That feels a little bit strange, but as you saw, I didn't have any problems with Expert. So yeah, it's a cool feeling. This material is great. It's like it feels like strong foam, a rubber foam or something like that. I don't know how that's called, but it feels pretty good. So I can recommend this for the gameplay. But let's check out how expensive that is and where you can get it. Okay, the AMVR Dual Handles gamepad. I found it at Amazon US, and you can buy it for $26.99 and free shipping. So the question is that worth 27 bucks? No, it's not. I mean, it's cool. It feels very good. The material quality is very good. This is rubber material, but if I wouldn't have it, I wouldn't pay 27 euro for that, US dollar. But if you are a really big fan of Beat Saber, if you only play Beat Saber, then you should really consider that, because it feels good. It feels like the original Beat Saber virtual light sword grips, I would say. I don't know. It's in the end, it's your decision. But I wouldn't pay that. So the link for this stuff is under the video. You can use it to support me a little bit. You won't pay something extra. Would be awesome. If you have something better to play Beat Saber, just tell me. I'm really curious. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE